All right, now that you've got your mailbox set up the way that you like it to and you're viewing every extra tool that you would like, now you're ready to compose an email. So go ahead and click on the Compose button in the top left corner, and then you can actually expand it to fill the whole page if you would like to have more space to write. You're going to put the to line here. Anytime you fill out the to line, it's going to auto-populate with people from APS. You can also copy and paste Gmail or other email accounts into here. So you can put in student ID numbers and look up students. You can type in parent email addresses or copy and paste those from Synergy. Make sure that you have a subject for your email. The body of your email is going to go here. I have signatures turned on, and so I automatically have this signature set at the bottom. As you type your email, Smart Compose might turn itself on. Here it's suggesting that I put the recipient's name here. All you have to do to accept a Smart Compose is hit the Tab button on your keyboard. Once it turns from gray to black, it has been accepted and is part of your email. So you can compose the body of your email with whatever information you would like. For the body of your email, you can always highlight it, change the font, change the size, bold, italics, or underline. You can change the font color. You can change it just like in Google Doc, the alignment, add numbered lists, bulleted lists, or change the indents. You can strike through text or remove the formatting. Down at the bottom here, you have a few things you can add. I have the Bitmoji keyboard turned on, so I have Bitmojis. You can attach a file with the paperclip button, and then attach whatever file you are going to add. You can add a link to a website. All you have to do is click on the Insert Link hyperlink button, and then decide what text you want to display, and then copy and paste in the URL. Then click OK. And it's going to add that as a hyperlink into your email. You can add emojis. They're available just like they are on any other emoji keyboard. You can insert a photo. This is different than attaching it as with the paperclip attachment. Put my cursor where I want the photo to insert or the picture to insert. Click on Insert Photo. Go between Photos, Albums, Uploads, or Web Address. I'm going to choose to upload a picture. Now I'm going to put in the picture that I want to insert and then click Open. And now that the picture is in here, I can actually click on it and change the size to fit the needs, or click and drag the corner. I can toggle on confidential mode. That's the next thing I can change. If I change it to confidential mode, it means that the recipient won't have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. So this is good if you are sending information about students, for example, and you need to make sure that only the person is reading it that it was intended for. So you can set an expiration. You can require a passcode, and then click Save if you want to set confidential mode. I can insert a signature. So I have one that's already set because I changed that in the settings for all of my emails. If you don't have a signature set, you can choose from your list of signatures here. If I click on the three dots, I can also request read receipt. This is good if you need to make sure that the person you're sending the email to actually reads the email. You can also check your spelling here. Once you're done composing your email, you can either click the blue send button to send it right away, or you can click the little arrow next to the send button in order to schedule it. If you schedule it, then you get to choose the date and time that you want the email to be sent. You can choose one of the pre-set times at the top, or you can choose a different date and time. And then once you click schedule send, it's going to put that email into your scheduled folder here on the side. So you can go in here and view the email. You can cancel the send, or it will just send out to the recipients once the scheduled time has approached. Another great thing that you can do with Gmail is use templates. If there is an email that you send frequently, like you're answering the same questions again and again, you can create a template. So what you would do is create the body of your email For example, this is a template email that I would like to send out to multiple people over the course of a time span, so I'm not sending them all out at once. So I've written out my email, I've hyperlinked, I've used colored text, I've highlighted stuff that is important. I have my entire body of my email complete the way that I like it. I'm going to remove my signature because I have it set to automatically show up at the end of emails and I don't want a double signature. Now that my email is written, I'm going to click on the three dots at the bottom. I'm going to click on templates. I'm going to click Save Draft as Template and then Save as New Template. It's going to ask me what do I want to call my email. So give it a title, then click the Save button. Now, whenever I'm ready to use that template, all I do is click on the Compose button, click on the three dots, hover over Templates, and then click on the template that I just created. That email is now here. It looks the way that I would like it to, and all I have to do now is add in my recipients. And if I wanted to CC, which means carbon copy and add other people, or BCC, which means blind carbon copy, which means they'll get the email, but they won't see anybody else on the email list. So this is a great way to communicate quickly with multiple individuals. You can actually create a template also using this select a layout button and create a newsletter. This is a little more advanced, but once you choose a template that you like and then you insert it, you just replace all of the text, images, titles, and copy for your email. And then you can actually click on the three dots and save it as a template, save it as a new template. You can also overwrite templates that already exist, so you can make edits to an existing template. So this is a really great way to create newsletters for parents or students and make them look really nice and classy. You can also change this if you had the template set and you just wanted to change the information and then save the template new. You could create a newsletter template for each month or each time you send out newsletters.